Your analytical life becomes much simpler and much faster if you're able to collaborate with other people. And fortunately, that's one of the things that Google Sheets does best. To share a document, to share a spreadsheet with somebody, all you need to do is come up to click on the blue share button. And there's a lot of different ways you can share with people. Now, the most direct is to simply put in their email address right here. Here is a fake email address that I just got, data@superito.com. And you have the option of assigning different levels of sharing that person actually can change the document. They can edit it, or they can simply make comments on it, but they can't change the actual text, or they can simply view it. And you can say, here is the document. And it will email that person and let them know that they've got the document, and then they get into it and they can start working on it with you. You also have the option of sharing with a link. So for instance, you can say that anybody at your organization, if you have a Google business account, or you can click on more here, you can share anybody who has a link or public on the web, which is what I've done on this one. And I've set it so that anybody who has the link can view it. I could set it up so they could comment or edit, but view is going to work best in this case. I hit save. And then as long as people have this very long link, but you click copy link, and I'm going to open up a new incognito window, click it like this. And now this is the way that anybody can see it. They can see the document. They can't change it. It's giving me a little blurb about updates here. Here it says view only. That's fine, but you can see that other people, this is my professional account with Data Lab. This is my personal account. And even though this person can't edit it, they can download it as a Microsoft Excel file or a CSV or TSV file, and they can start working on it themselves. I'm going to close this one. Now, one of the nice things about the way that sharing works in Google Docs, I'm going to just delete this one. I don't really want to share with my fake email address. I'm going to press cancel and done. But when you're sharing, you can see who's sharing right here. That's my personal account. This is my company account. And you're able to see where they are in the document. So for instance, I'm going to be in this cell right here, but I can tell that the other person is surrounded in pink, same as we have up here, is in this cell. And if I go to that account, you can see I have the document open. That's where I am. You can see that I'm now sharing with my company account. And it's a good way to see who's working on it, where they are, and to start collaborating to get your analysis up and running as fast as possible.